Can I ask a question?
You just did.
Okay, can I ask 2 questions?
You already did.
Can I ask 4 questions?
You just did. Again.
When?
Now.
Cowboy, baby. I want to be a cowboy, baby.
I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Leg out.
Kayla Collin, run in here and come get y'all juice.
Ramen on the chain with the V-cut. Filled with chemicals, keep your mouth shut. But it tastes so good, I can't resist. Cheap and quick, it's high on my food list. Noodles and the spice comfort my soul. Makes my belly warm, want one more bowl.
Mr. T?
Hiya, Susie. T-Power.
Oh, God, please!
I'm such a thug. Look at this. Cough medicine. Yep.